Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites and collecting evidence. Check CPU, GPU, RAM, disk space, and OS version so you know if hardware or software is the likely cause. Once done, update graphics drivers, the game launcher, and your operating system and backup saves. Make sure to run the game once to reproduce the crash and capture logs. Use Event Viewer, Crash Dumps, or the in-game console. That initial data guides everything that follows and saves wasted effort. You now isolate causes by simplifying the environment. Perform a clean boot, disable overlays and background apps, and launch with default settings to see if third-party software or custom configs cause the crash. Then test hardware. Run a memory test for RAM errors, stress test the GPU, and check storage health via Smart. Once you identify the failure domain, apply targeted fixes, verify or repair game files, reinstall problematic modules, and tweak configuration. You finish by locking in the stable configuration and making it reproducible. Update or remove mods, save a working profile, and create a system restore or backup. If crashes persist, collect symbolized crash dumps and verbose debug logs, and rerun under developer tools or a debugger to pinpoint failing modules. Make sure to test consistency across sessions. If nothing works, boot safe mode or a fresh user profile. Then contact support with your organized logs. That one troubleshooting step often speeds resolution dramatically.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.